So we're at the National Hardware Show checking out some of the cool stuff, and that brought me to the Winbag booth here. This is something that we picked up, and you can get this at Home Depot. This is the original. The Winbag is a great little tool. It's a little air pump here, and you can pump this little bag up. You can slide this under the corner of your, well, let's face it, most of the time you want to do this under your refrigerator or stove. You slide it under the corner and you can jack it up, and you can use this to help level off your kitchen appliance. I use this in our kitchen because the cake that my daughter was making wasn't coming through nice and level. The Winbag, I put it in under the corner, adjusted it, and we are back at level. And there's no trying to hold it up and turn the things with the tool. It's absolutely fabulous. Definitely worth getting. But they're coming out with 2 new ones. This is awesome. The Mini, a smaller one for those applications where you need a little guy. And then, of course, a larger one. But they've got 2 new ones that we can take a look at that are coming out here in 2019. The Winbag Mini is a smaller version to be used in applications where you don't need quite that size. Or if you need even bigger, they've got a big one coming out here. So there's going to be 3 different sizes, and any of those are going to be able to help you save a ton of time when it comes to leveling different things within your house. You can go find more information. Go out to winbagusa.com or go down to Home Depot, and you can pick one up there if you want to grab yourself one. These are a great little tool to have around the household.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.